Hello and welcome to a video on how to get started on assignment 5 using R Commander. This is for Actuarial Science 654, Spring 2011. The data I collected about 6 years ago is a home assessments for the Tenny-Lapham neighborhood of Madison, Wisconsin. I will be relating the assessments in thousands of dollars to living area in square footage and location, whether the home has Lake Mendota water frontage or not. So we'll start by opening R. And next I want to load up R Commander. So I'm going to type library R Commander like that. And in a few seconds it'll open up the menu-based R Commander. And now I want to load in the data, assignment 5 data. So I go to Data, Import Data from Text File, and let's call the data Assess, and it will be comma separated value file. Press OK, and then I put it on the desktop earlier. There it is. It's the assignment 5 data. You can get that from the course website. Okay, the data is loaded in. Here it says there's 124 rows and 3 columns. Let's take a quick look at it. View data set. Okay, so we have this binary categorical variable, which I can't do anything with it right now in terms of my analysis. Well, I can, but and then we have area and square footage and assessment in thousands of dollars, home assessment. By the way, this home assessment is only for the home and not the land. Land is not counted in this assessment for the property. Okay, next I want to create some variables. In this assignment we'll be using a binary variable coded 01 for the location variable. So let's recode that. Let's go Data, Manage Variables in Active Data Set, and recode variables. We're doing location. Let's call the new variable water. And then in the recode directives we say, I'm going to put this in parentheses, water, parentheses, equals 1. So if the location says water, we'll give it a code of 1. If the location variable says no water, then give it a code of 0. Press OK. And let's look at the data set again. And it did create this binary variable for me. Right, zeros and ones shown here. Okay, now let's go to Edit Data Set. Go to the water variable we just created, and you'll notice that R is still calling it a nominal variable, a character. So it doesn't think of these as numbers. So we have to change them to numeric. Okay. I did that under the data editor. So now it's numeric, and now we can use it as a binary variable in a regression analysis, for example. Okay, then part 1 of the assignment says, let's make a few more variables. I need to make the natural log of assessment. That'll be for the last part of the assignment. I'll do it now. So let's go Data, Manage Variables in Active Data Set, Compute New Variable. Now this will be, I'm going to call it natural log assess, and the expression is log, that means take the natural log, and assess. Okay, so it created another variable. You can see it in the view data set. There it is, natural log of assessment. Okay, then I guess I don't, I need to make an interaction term yet. That'll be for, let's see, part 7, I guess, of the assignment. So let's go Data, Manage Variables in Active Data Set, Compute New Variable. Let's call the new variable area water. Don't put a time sign in between it because R is picky about notation of variable names. So just call it area water. And then I take area, asterisk, water. Now this won't work unless you recoded water into a numeric variable. Press OK, and again under View Data Set, it created my interaction term, multiplying those two variables together. Okay, now we're ready to do our analysis. The first part says make a table of descriptive statistics. Let's go statistics, summaries, numerical summaries, and I'm supposed to do it overall and by the categorical variable location, water or no water. So let's do it overall first, and let's not do the second and third quartiles. So I'll just change that to 0 meaning min, 0.5 meaning median, and 1 meaning the maximum. And I'll do area, press on the control key, and assessment. We won't do anything with natural log of assessment yet. Press OK, and it gave me an error. Okay, I made a mistake in my coding here, it looks like. Let's go back, data, manage variables, wait, what am I doing? No, statistics, summaries, numerical summaries, area, control, and assess. And then I want 0, 0.5, 1 for my quantiles. Press OK. There it is. Okay, now I'm going to copy this. Actually, I guess I can get the next summaries first. Let's go with statistics, summaries, do the same thing. Numerical, area, control to pick assessed, and then do 0, 0.5, 1, and then summarize by groups. And we want location, yes, okay. Press OK, and now it created descriptive stats for the area and assessed by water and no water. So let's highlight all of this. I'll just highlight all of this and paste it into my Word document that I previously had open. Okay, paste that in there. Ooh, and it gave me the same. Let's highlight all that stuff and format it. Let's do Courier New. I'm trying to do Courier New. And then the alignment will be better. Courier New. Okay. Then let's get rid of the boldface and change the font back to like 12. Oh, I missed some of it. Okay, almost there. Okay, and we don't need this stuff right there. Well, you can see we've got the descriptive stats, and we could clean this up a little bit. Notice, first of all, the alignment is off on the titles here, so I can just tab over, and now I've got the things over the correct statistics. We can get rid of the spacing in between of the. I'm going to highlight all this stuff and say, let's go page layout, and then spacing before and after 0, and then it looks a little bit cleaner, tighter. Okay, so quickly what I can see is with term in area, those homes with water frontage tend to be much larger than homes without. And then those homes that with water frontage also tend to be more expensive on average, and also more variable in prices in assessments.